I have been wanting to try this forever since I saw Michaela make this video. This is NYX. It's called Zero to Brow Gel. It's supposed to last for days from what I've seen. So you can see that I did not do my eyebrows. We're going to do it right now.
Hello.
I'm inside your house.
Okay. Yellow.
Why did you hang up? Why did you hang up on me?
If you're inside my house, just come talk to me.
I'm in the closet.
Oh, you're gay? That's cool.
No, I'm not gay.
No, it's alright, my cousin's gay.
No, I'm not gay. I'm literally in your closet.
Wait, really? Who is this?
Come find out.
Where are you?
Are you stupid or something? I just said I'm in your closet.
Oh, yeah.
Honestly, so easy to use. Look how natural. The only negative that I found is that it's really hard to draw a straight line with this thing. So when you mess up, like, let's see here, like right here, I need a straight line. You see, it's really hard to get that straight line. And then there's too much product. So that's why you take this and go up. But they have this new pen that you're supposed to use with it. This is called NYX Lift and Snatch, and it's supposed to give you like these these hair looking lines. So let's try it right here. Oh my goodness, is this amazing? Do you see that? How it looks like I have a hair right here is where I have less hair and I feel like a little bit of balding, but look at that. Wow, this is amazing. Look, it looks like I have little hairs right there. And I could even go down this way to make it look a little thicker. You see that? Do you see that? This is actually in the color black because when I put it on my hand and I did the little smears, that doesn't look black. I tested a few of them. They all looked like this. That looks amazing. I think the brows look amazing. Now, will they last? I don't know. We're going to see. It's rainy outside. I have oily skin. Keep that in mind. We're going to see if they last. And I'm going to see if they come off later when I wash my face. And when I wake up in the morning. It's 10 o'clock at night and my eyebrows haven't budged. But I am oily. I started producing my oil, especially in my T-zone and right here. So what I want to do, I want a dry finger. I'm going to rub my eyebrow this way and see if anything comes off. No, that looked like shimmer from my... Let's do the corner. What the heck? Wow, let's do this one. This one has hardly any hair in the corner right here. Oh, snappity snap. Wow, this one I put a lot darker, I think, right here. I almost forgot because I fell asleep on the sofa. It's midnight. My makeup has been on all day long. You can see my waterproof eyeliner is coming off. Let's try the eyebrow, okay? So let me get a clean side right here of this eyebrow makeup removing wipe. So yeah, it comes off with the makeup removing wipe. But I'm going to leave this eyebrow on, and we're going to compare when I wake up to see if it's still on, because you can see I'm oily and tired. I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay, you guys can see one eyebrow is on. I'm going to bed looking like this, all lopsided. I am just put some moisturizer on my face. I'm tired. I'm going to bed. Let's see if this stays on all night long. Good morning. I look like a mess. Yeah, this is the eyebrow. And I will say that some of it's still on, as you can see right over here. A little bit comes off of my hand. But the corner came off right there. I will say it doesn't stand the test of a side sleeper that has oily skin that plants her face in her pillow and rubs like that. But it's kind of funny because I sleep like this. The pillow doesn't really get like between my eyebrows. But the corner came off, you can tell right there. But it's still on, so I have to say that's pretty impressive. Some of it's still on.